afternoon, everybody, and my name is Marilyn. I'm a financial educator, and welcome to my channel, Financial Planning 101. So, we're gonna cover the Find the Seven Money Milestone series, and we're going on milestone number 3, okay? Because we covered milestone number 2. If you need to know what was milestone number 2, which was proper protection, go back to my channel and search for the video, and I covered that portion of the milestone. Okay, so we're gonna cover milestone number 3. Okay, so let's tackle milestone number 3. This is gonna be a very short video, so it's just very simple and to the point. Okay, so creating your emergency fund. We recommend you save at least 3 to 6 months of your annual income to prepare for any unexpected expenses like unforeseen medical bills, home appliance repairs, or replacement, and hassle like major card fixes. Okay, and don't forget costly of all possible unemployment. All right. So if you currently living from paycheck to paycheck, like many people are today, your emergency fund could be the insulation that separates you from financial disaster. So if something happens, okay, so check out the simple annual income and how much you need for our 3 to 6 months income guidelines. So there is 2 rules of an emergency fund. Rule number 1 is your emergency fund is only for unexpected emergencies. That's all. It's not for gifts. It's not for giving aways or BOGO sales. And it doesn't matter if it sits in your checking, savings, or separate account, as long as you're not tempted to use it for anything but a real emergency. And then rule number 2, if you need to use your emergency fund to fix a car, replace the refrigerator, or for an emergency visit, don't hesitate to use this money. That's what it's for. So you don't have to rely on credit cards and taking on debt. Just make sure that afterwards you add back a little money every month until the emergency fund is full again. All right. So this is our strategy about creating an emergency fund. You need 3 to 6 months, and it all depends on your annual income. Okay. So if you're making $50,000 a year, you could put like 12,500 for 3 months, or even 25,000 for 6 months income. You're making $100,000 a year, you put $12,000 for 3 months of income, or 6 months is 50,000. And then if you're making over 200,000, 50,000 for 3 months, 100,000 for 6 months. Okay. And these are recommended tools for you to use to create an emergency fund. All right. And again, we highly recommend that you do not, I repeat, do not touch the emergency fund. I know when you see that a lot of money, we're tempted to touch it. Oh, we gotta buy this, we gotta buy that. No, this is what the emergency fund is for any emergency. Because again, we do not predict emergencies. It could come up at the spur of the moment. You never know what will happen. And it's always essential that you have an emergency fund so you don't tap in again, don't tap into no credit card bills. You don't have to be borrowing money from somebody else. Don't take out no loans because you have this fund. All right. And give me your feedback about this video about an emergency fund. Do you have an emergency fund? And if you don't have an emergency fund, I will help you create one, or I help you get one together so that you are never stuck in any type of dilemma of needing some money if something comes up. Okay. So this is the end of the video. It's very straightforward, very short. Again, check my description of my website. Go and download the ebooks. I have some free ebooks that you could download. And we talk, and in the ebooks, it talks about emergency fund. I also have financial literacy quiz, and it also helps with your knowledge of financial literacy, see where you at, what you don't know. You'll get back any information back, invaluable information. Okay. So leave it right now. My name is Marilyn. Again, Check my website. I'll help you with any type of budgeting. All my services are for free. And hey, I'll see you on the next video, okay? And thank you for coming to my video, Family Financial Planning 101. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.